a very important question. Always remember this, students. This can come into two different chapters, in this as well as in genetics. So, in our society, the women are often blamed for giving birth to daughters. Can you explain why is this not correct? Okay, so let's start. When you're writing this answer, you have to be very practical. So, men produces two types of sperms. 50% of sperm carry an X chromosome, while the others carry Y chromosome. Now, so males have what? Males have what? X and Y chromosome. Next, after the fusion of male and female gametes, the zygote would carry either XX or XY. Depending on whether the sperm carrying X or Y fertilizes the ovum. Now, the zygote carrying XX would develop into a female baby and XY would develop into a male child. Now, thus, the sex of a baby is determined by whom? Father and not mother. And thus, the statement is incorrect. So, male is always XY and female is always XX. So, let's have a look genetically. So, sex determination in humans. Father, mother. Father will have XX. So, let's write father, mother. Father will have XY and mother will have XX. So, this have two chromosomes. Two gametes, X and Y, whereas this would be only X. Okay. So, while mating, if XX mixes, this is a girl child. Again, XX, that means a girl child. So, 50% chances of female. Now, Y mates with X, so XY. Y mates with another X, so XY. 50% chances of male. And thus, it completely depends on the father whether the baby is male or female. This is father and this is mother. Okay, students? So, probability of a child being female is 50% and male is 50% because father carries two types of gametes, X and Y, whereas there is only X and X for mother. Okay, students? Please remember this.